Hello you guys. So today we're going to be reviewing the OLSP Academy, aka OLSP system. So stick around with me while I'm getting on my laptop, switching off the camera to show you guys. Okay, so this is my screen, and by the way, I'm recording on mobile, so don't get with me. Okay, so this is how OLSP Academy is looking like, you guys. And these are the next events, but what I want to show you is that there is a way to learn and learn. Yeah, I'm not going to even scratch that. So basically, if you are in Megalink, you have to be a live profit builder. I think in Megalink you can't do that, but at least with this upgrade, when you upgrade to live profit builder like I am, you can invite people and earn. So basically, you do like I'm doing now. You copy the the URL, and then you're going to share it, you guys. You can share it on your social like Facebook. You also earn points, okay, which are going to convert to money later, but also you earning $1 each time you share, okay? And also people who are joining you into this live events or webinars, they're going to earn money too, which I think is insane. It's a double win. If you take it that way, they can come, learn, and earn at the same time. So this bonus, I think, is one of the amazing bonuses out there. Nobody gives that in this affiliate marketing space whatsoever, from what I know. And let me scroll down here. We also have a traffic challenge. So if you want to join that, join it now, because they're going to teach you how to go viral. Now, these are the events tab. This is the community. So if I'm clicking the community tab, it's going to take you to the community. As you can see here, we have what's new, the general discussions, what people are talking inside, tracking promotion, CD Pro challenge. You can ask questions, share your results. People are sharing their results in here, and so on and so forth. So we have a community inside here, which is fantastic. Now, if I go back, we also have a bonus vault. I can't stress enough how this useful is this. So basically, with the Megalink, you don't get this viral hub here, okay? You don't get a viral hub, but with the live profit builders, which is a monthly subscription, like $49 dollars, you have the viral hub. So if I'm accessing my viral hub, which is huge, you guys, I have my credits, which I have each month. I have 500 credits, which I can use. That means I'm going inside here and I can put a post up. So how to do that? You basically create your post, okay, on social media, like I created mine. Let me go to my profile, and I created this post, right? So I create this post. I'm going to put this post inside here, and that's exactly what I've done. And people literally come in here and they click in on my Facebook post, and they earn credits by liking, commenting, and sharing. How crazy is that? And I can also go to other people's profile. For example, I go to available posts, and I can go here and like this Facebook post, for example. So I can post to like it. Let's see. Come on now. So you're going to open the post, and for example, I'm going to like this post, right? So I'm going to give them a like. Oops, sorry, 6, that's it. I'm going to close it. I'm going back to OLSP system, and they say post open successfully. So it completed. And I got my, how much? 5 credits. I earned 5 credits with this, yeah? And I completed the like. And then, you can like the post or comment, whatever they put it on it, okay? In this way, you are boosting somebody else's page, and they are boosting your page backwards. So it's a double win. So you have more eyeballs. When you start in this, if you are new to affiliate marketing and never done affiliate marketing, when you start in this, I think is super important. So people, get, some traffic, some eyeballs, and then people will see, okay, she's doing affiliate marketing, let's see what she's up to, that kind of stuff. Now, so this is the viral hub, and it's available only with the live profit builders, okay, not the Megalink. Okay, now let's go back, okay, and share with you more, okay? We also have a leaderboard, and basically you can earn points. You're earning points, you get up, and then you can earn this price is. Like here we have $10,000, 3,000, 1,000, and so on and so forth. So it's good to actually earn points and go up to the ladder. If you're going into top 20, you're going to earn 50, you know. So I think also this is a boost. I think it's amazing. This is I mean, it's crazy. Now going back again, show you more amazing stuff. We have an AI profile, also a hub sites. So if I'm going to a hub sites, okay, you can literally create a page, like create a new site. It's like, this is like your personal website, you know what I mean? You give it a name, for example, my site is going to appear like that. Give it a page. Welcome you guys, come on now, spelling. And then join me to this challenge. And then, for example, I'm going to hit create site, right? Just watch the magic happen. So I literally created a new site. Am I or not yet? No, my site is taken. My site 1, create site. Okay, now I have 2 sites. Yeah, just watch the magic happens. If I'm going to view it, welcome you guys. Yeah, I'm going to view the website. And this is how it looks. So this is my title, which I put it a few minutes ago. Welcome you guys. Join me to this challenge. You have Wayne, which is our mentor and the person who created this, this system. You have start your free training, which people are, if they want to start the training, they can start the training here. So if you click it, it's going to take you to this page. So you can start a free training. Okay. You have easiest way to earn. So they're going to take you to the mega link. So you can earn commissions, you guys. Just look at all that. This is bunkers. And then look down there below. People can get started with a $7 mega link. They can go into live profit builders like I am, or they can go into community builders. So this website is done for you literally, and you can make it in a matter of seconds like I've done it, as you can see. And it's, it's your site, okay? And then you have also the events, upcoming events, the traffic machine day 2, and this one. So you have everything in one site. I mean, how crazy is that? Of course, I'm going to delete this because I'm not going to use it. Okay, and this is how my site looks. Welcome, so glad to see you here. Watch the free training and let's build together. And voila, everything is there, ready to rock and roll. And you can check this link, you guys, and put it on your Facebook wall, and that's it. Okay, so it's easy like that. Now I'm going to shut this down, and I'm going back in here to show you more crazy stuff. And I'm so super excited to share this with you guys because it's crazy. You also have your AI profile, right? So this is like AI built in, okay? You're going to tell your name, your business, your tagline, your bio. You're going to give your socials. You're going to give your audience, okay? The industry pain points, so he knows what you're talking about when it creates content for you. Now, if I'm going back to OLSP Academy, what I can do with this now, okay, I can go here, for example, and let's say I wanna, I wanna market the Cave Cast day 1, or maybe I wanna market this one because I'm also earning, isn't it? I can invite and earn. Just watch the magic happens. I go to materials, and if I wanna make a post, let's say LinkedIn post, I'm going to say generate LinkedIn post, and it's going to generate exactly in my own language, exactly what I give to AI, how I train my AI. So look what it says. Hey mama, I was like you before, overwhelmed, no sales, struggling with what to post, feeling alone, no community, and so on. So this is what I can now copy to clipboard, okay? And I can post it immediately, you guys. I have my Facebook post ready to go on Monday, so it's going to be ready to go tomorrow. So I can just copy, go inside here, for example, all right, search on Facebook. So I can go back to my Facebook page, what's in your mind. I can create a post, nice and easy peasy. I can post it, And that's it. Of course, I delete that one. I can delete that fade SEO. Well, I can't delete that one. And then that's it. Don't post your links because Facebook is not going to like that. When somebody wants to join, you just reply with them with something, and then you can from there just message them with your link. Okay. Now I'm not going to post that, but I will schedule because I think scheduling is very important. Okay. Now what else, guys? When you invite, you literally invite and earn. So basically, somebody registered. Oh, that's good. I have somebody registered. Oh my God, that's amazing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I have somebody registered. And this is, by the way, my day 3 since I'm doing this. So don't judge me. I'm happy. Now I can copy this link and then I can give it to somebody. And when somebody is registering to it, I'm earning $1, you guys. They come to the webinars, I'm earning $1, and they are earning when they join the challenge, they're earning money too. So if they buy Megalink, they're starting to earn some quid. I think it's 15 or 5 quid. I have to go back to it and watch it. I'm not sure, so don't take me up for it. I think it's 15 for the three videos, or $5, which is, you don't find them on the road. Like they come, learn, and earn at the same time, and you are learning. You are earning too. And that's it with this. And then of course I'm at the Life Profit Builders. This is not available with the Megalink. Just to let you know, if you have only the Megalink, you're not going to have the invite and earn. Okay. Now we also have I didn't show you the skill center. So here is what you learn. Okay, so you come here and earn. For example, getting started, you have everything how to get started, you guys. He's going to explain to you literally everything. Okay, the getting started guide. Now this assumes you're at the free level, and as we go through a few. Okay, so you have this one. And of course, you have getting started with the Megalink, and then Facebook 101 training, which is a must. And they still keep adding, in these courses, they're still adding content. This is all about Facebook marketing, like everything in and out. And it's 2 hours, you guys, and 30 minutes. And it's so huge. Just come with a pen and paper and just learn. Learn. Oh my God. So yeah, exciting times, you guys. It's going to teach you literally everything. We have so many webinars and lives in a week, and yeah, exciting times ahead. If you're on upgrade, of course, you have the upgrade button there. This is for the community builders Facebook advanced method, and for the community builders, which I'm hoping to join very soon. So yeah, this is the Megalink, you guys. This is the Megalink. So yeah, this is the OLSP system in a nutshell, literally. So I really hope this made sense to you guys and you actually enjoy it. And I want to share with you another bonus. And I was about to forget, when you come inside OLSP Academy, you're going to have everything plus. When you join with me, you have winning on purpose. Here is where we all gather together and you can learn so much, not only if you want OLSP, but if you want to do something else as well. We are, a lot of women inside, also men, men are welcome too. And we are growing together, literally. And we're going to have the $7 system that pays you for life training. So you have everything daily and until 90 days, you guys. This is huge. This is huge. This is all I'm saying. It's very huge to be inside it. So once you get with me, I'm going to hook you up into this one, and it's free. Okay. Of course, they have the member. You can, get WOP, which is yearly membership. If you want to have all the other stuff like I have, the premium level and so on and so forth, you don't have to get that. But we're going to rock and roll inside here, and you can stay at the free level. And so, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you in the next one.